Welcome, everyone. It's time for the ultimate brain workout, a math quiz challenge that's really going to put you to the test. We're about to find out just how sharp your mind is today. You ready to dive in?
So how sharp is your brain today? I hope you're feeling on top of your game, because here's how it's going to work. You'll have about 5 seconds for each question before I reveal the answer. We're going to start off easy with the little warm-up, but don't get too comfy. Things are definitely going to ramp up. Let's see what you've got.
All right, let's kick things off with level 1, the warm-up. Time to get those mental gears spinning.
Okay, first question up, and it's a bit of a classic brain teaser. Listen carefully now. If 3 cats eat 3 mice in 3 minutes, how long will it take 100 cats to eat 100 mice? You've got 5 seconds, go.
And the correct answer is C, 3 minutes. Did we get you with that one? See, the key here is the rate. It takes 1 cat 3 minutes to eat 1 mouse. So if you have 100 cats all eating their own mouse at the same time, it's still going to take them just 3 minutes. Pretty clever, right? All right, no time to waste. Let's keep this moving. Next question. How many sides does an octagon have? A, B, C, or D? Quick, quick.
And boom, the answer is B, 8. An octagon has 8 sides. Simple as that. If you got that one right, awesome job. Let's get to the next one.
Okay, here is the last question for our warm-up round. Picture this. Michael's playing a game. He scores 13 points, but then he loses 8. So, how many points does he have now? Do the math.
And the answer is A, 5 points. Just a little bit of simple subtraction there, 13 minus 8. And just like that, the warm-up is over. I hope you're feeling good because things are about to get a whole lot tougher.
All right, welcome to level 2. We're calling this one the gauntlet. Yeah, the warm-up is officially done. Let's see how you handle these next ones.
First up in the gauntlet, what is the result of 3 plus 4 times 2? Now be careful here. You got to remember your order of operations. What do you do first? Think about it.
The right answer is B, 11. You see, you have to do the multiplication before the addition. So 4 times 2 is 8. And then you add the 3. That gets you to 11. Easy mistake to make if you're not paying attention.
Okay, time to switch gears a little bit. Let's talk fractions. Which one of these fractions is the same thing as the decimal 0.75?
And the answer is B, 3/4. You know, like 3/4 of a dollar is 75 cents, or 75%. Same idea. Awesome job if you got that. One more question to go in level 2.
All right, here we go. What is 15% of 200? A little percentage problem to round out the gauntlet. Take a second and work it out.
The correct answer is C, 30. Here's a super easy way to think about it. 10% of 200 is just 20, right? And 5% is half of that, so it's 10. You just add them up. 20 plus 10 is 30. Are you feeling confident? I hope so, because the final level is coming up next and it's a doozy.
You know, before we jump into that last level, I just gotta say, seriously, if you've made it this far, it means you are strong and brave. Not everyone keeps going when the challenge gets tough, but you're still here. That's awesome. So take a breath. You've earned it.
Okay, it is time. Welcome to level 3, the final boss. This is where things get really serious. Prepare yourself for the toughest questions of the whole challenge.
Okay, deep breath, here we go. Imagine you've got $600 in your bank account. Now, follow these transactions. First, you withdraw $73. Then, you deposit $18. After that, you pull out a big chunk, $466. And finally, you withdraw another $125. So, what's your final balance? I'll give you a little extra time on this one. You might want to track these numbers.
The final balance is B. You're in the red at negative $46. Ouch! Let's walk through that together. You start with 600, take away 73, that's 527. You add back 18, so you're at 545. Then that big withdrawal of 466 leaves you with just 79 bucks. And once you take out that last 125, yeah, you're at negative 46. It just goes to show you how fast that money can disappear. All right, this is it. The final question of the entire challenge. We're going to finish with a little bit of geometry. The question is, what is the measure of the angles in an equilateral triangle? This one really tests a core geometry concept. What do you think?
And the correct answer is C, 60 degrees. So here's why.
Every single triangle, no matter what, has angles that add up to 180 degrees. And the key word here is equilateral, which means all three angles are equal. So you just take 180 divided by 3, and you get 60 degrees for each angle. Simple as that. And just like that, you've done it. That was the end of the quiz. You made it through all 3 levels. Seriously, congratulations on taking on the challenge. So now for the big question.
How many questions did you get right? Go ahead and tally up your score from all the levels. No cheating now. Be honest.
We would absolutely love to know how you did. Drop your score down in the comments below. And hey, while you're there, why not challenge a friend? Share this with them and see if they can beat your score. Thanks so much for putting your brain to the test with us today.